welcome back to my channel. It is 2019 and I cannot believe it. It's already 2019. But this month is January, and every single month on the first of the month I'm going to upload a What's Poppin' video. Hopefully they'll get better throughout the year too. This one was super impromptu and I needed to put it up, but the next ones hopefully will have some cool graphics and cool things for you. I don't know. So what is poppin' in January? This is gonna be my way of updating my patrons, updating you guys if you wanna know what patrons are getting, and updating just the world in general, what's going on in my life and where you might see me, what I might be doing, and all those things. January is kind of exciting, but more busy for me. But this month, I am going to be uploading, I don't know why I just got a British accent or whatever accent that was. I'm going to be uploading every Monday on YouTube. And this month I am doing bullet journaling series. If you don't like bullet journaling, don't leave me. Come back in February, I'll have a different series for you. But every Monday I will be having a bullet journal video. And then Tuesdays will be my live hangout on YouTube and Facebook. I'm bringing it back to YouTube, and we'll probably do a craft or something along the lines of having something organized for you so that it's not just hanging out and chatting, but we will hang out and chat and get to know each other. If you want to know more about me, my family, homeschooling, keto, all the things that I do, Tuesdays are your place, 10 a.m. PST. Again, you can always watch the replay. But along with that, I will be announcing every Tuesday what the patrons get on Tuesdays. And along with that, every Tuesday will be a new bundle for every single tier. Every tier will get a bundle on Tuesdays. So if you want to know what those are, you can either be a patron and see, we'll post what you got, or you can watch on Tuesdays and I'll let you guys know. And then we might do a craft with those bundles and all that, but I'll walk you through those bundles or how to use them and stuff like that. Okay, what else is going on in January in my life? So I possibly am going to Creativation. You'll probably see a lot of stuff on our Instagram page of us going there. I am gonna be scouting products for mystery boxes and packs, and maybe listing on AuntieTay.com. So you might want to follow us on Instagram, which is at @Auntie_Tay. That's my personal Instagram. So if you want to see my kids and my dog and my husband and our trips and all that, that's where you'll find it. If you want to see just our business stuff and our crafts and other crafts that people make with our stuff, Tay's Gizmos is the Instagram for that. And then yeah, so I think that's what's popping in January. I don't even know, is there anything else going on in January? Thursdays is still gonna be Crafting with the Hubs over on Facebook. I'm keeping that on Facebook. If you guys really want it back on YouTube, let me know. But I really just wanna keep uploaded videos on YouTube and one live a week. Nothing crazy. I will be going, Design With Me videos are on pause just for a second for my patrons. They'll come back out in about a month. Basically, what's going to happen is I'm doing some really good Design With Me videos that are going to go up on YouTube at the end of 2019, but patrons will get those 6 months in advance. So Design With Me videos will come back, but they're gonna be really needed good Design With Me videos, like how to use Design Space, the new version, not a year ago. And I think that's it. I don't know. I'm shooting a lot in January, a lot. So I'll know more of what's poppin' by February, what's poppin' for the actual full year. But yeah, so we got a ton of new patrons. So actually tomorrow, a video is gonna go up on YouTube calling So You're a Patron, Now What? It's going to be called So You're a Patron, Now What? If you're a patron and you haven't seen it, check that video out because it's gonna help you navigate and maybe see things that you didn't know you could get. All right, I think that's it. That's what's popping in January. I'm really excited. Oh, and if you didn't know, I'm in my new craft room. I moved. I'm not at an office anymore. I'm home, which is kind of hard to navigate what I'm doing with my life and how to balance living at home, homeschooling, and working from home. but we will talk about that on Tuesdays. All those types of updates will be on Tuesdays. All right, love you guys. Au revoir.